Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I'm going to make some walnut meat, and I have not soaked the walnuts first. Okay. First goes the walnuts, and put some olive oil, with some onions that I've already cut up. Cloves of garlic, a few sun-dried tomatoes, some Bragg's liquid amino, some nutritional yeast. That looks about right. Some lime juice. And then we blend. I forgot my seasoning. I'm just going to use some taco seasoning. Alright, now we'll put down some of the vegan mayo. Then we'll take our walnut meat, put that in there. A little bit of guacamole. Then we have some tomatoes and cucumbers. A bit of lettuce. And coleslaw mix. Some of this Bragg's vinaigrette. And a little salt. Pepper. And that's it. Love y'all. Hope this was helpful. Later.